So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Few things are most frustrating than an app that crashes right when you are about to finish the perfect edit. FaceApp crashing repeatedly usually means your device is struggling with memory or the as files have become corrupted. So the fixes are similar to general not working issues, but with a more focus on clearing out corrupted data. According to troubleshooting guides, cleaning the app's cache data should be your first step. So in today's small tutorial, let's go through how to fix FaceApp Keeps Crashing on Android, and we're also gonna talk about iOS or iPhone. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So the first option, let's say you are just opening FaceApp, it doesn't work, try to basically swipe a tab or force close it, then open it again. Then you wanna clear the cache obviously. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna long press the app, tap on info here, then go all the way down till we see storage. From here we can access the clear cache option and clear data option as well. If crashes persist, you just tap clear data as well. So this would remove all temporary files that might be corrupted. You will need to log back in, but your saved edits are stored in the cloud. Don't worry about it. Then we can go and reinstall the app on iPhone. On iPhone, we can't access the cache and we can't clear it directly. So press and hold the FaceApp icon, tap remove app, then delete app. Go to the App Store and reinstall FaceApp fresh. This does the same thing as cleaning or clearing the cache on Android. Then you can easily test in safe mode on Android if available. And that's your idea, so thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.